Hi, my name is Linda, and these are some of the feral cats that I feed. In the last 20 years, I have spent every penny that I have earned trying to help stray and homeless animals. There are many people and organizations who devote themselves to this cause, but it's not enough. I believe we need to come at it from a different angle. That is why I have decided to ask for help from the public in the form of donations. The money will not only go towards helping me to support them, but for startup money toward a small business, a business that can grow and change into many different things. The profits from the business will go towards reducing the population of homeless pets through spaying and neutering. Please join with me now in this new venture, and you can be a part of it from the very beginning. Follow me on my nightly cat feeding journey and see what their lives are like. If we work together, maybe we can change their lives for the better.